Oh yeah. Gonna go kayaking today. Got Opa. Gonna be a fun trip. Woohoo! Ooh. Took it easy. Yes, that's true. Let the water do everything. Yay! Okay, I think we can go right in the middle, maybe. And then at the rock at the end, we go left. Okay? Okay? Really? Yeah. Aw. Why you don't bite my line? Woo! Yeah! There comes Opa, down the boulder run. He enters right in the perfect spot. All right, coming down. We're gonna need to take a left at the next boulder. Oh, little bump. And, yeah! Boulder run success. Sometimes the water is there. Oh, shoot. One sec, baby. One sec. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Don't. He's not there. Ah! He's not on your hat. He's right here. I killed him. He's dead. Look, right here. I got him. It was okay, right in the rapid. Stop. Dude.
There.
Where?
See? Here. Exactly here in this address. Here. You see? It's a huge.
No. Oh, that's a carp. Yeah.
Two. There is two.
Oh, yeah. I see him.
Here. It's two.
I see him. Oh, that's a red-tailed carp. You see the red one?
Yeah.
Those are only live in this creek in the Cahaba.
That is.
Right
Come on,
here.
Come on, baby.
See how big a one I got?
Yeah.
I saw it, Opa.
Come on, baby. You're pretty close.
Oh my God, he's right here, Dad. This carp is right next. I can almost grab him.
Come on.
That's cool.
I'm here.
Uh-oh, which way now? I think from this way. Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh my God. That was huge.
Yeah, that's a good one. Come on, don't come off. Eat.
Come on, baby.
Woo!
Oh my God.
Come here, you. Uh-oh. This is a good fish.
Yeah.
All right, he's almost tired, I think.
Okay, no more water for me.
All right.
Okay, be careful, okay?
Yeah, I don't want the hook in my finger.
Exactly, be careful. Just be careful, okay? Yay! Look, Papa!
Woo!
Sabi saan ko? Santa.
What?
Santa. No, Santa Benito.
Om.
Um,
Yeah. Nice. Woo! That's a good bath.
yeah.
And release. You see, Opa?
Say hi.
Say we hi from us. Oh no, Opa's. Oh my god. Okay, we made it. Now where?
Or I'll take you down with me.
Yeah, that's gonna make the video. Hey, this is the very end. Whoop. Woo! Yes, baby. We finished. We made it. Woohoo! Survived. Down the Cahaba and Buck Creek. Woo!
No flipping over.
Nobody flipped.